guys, welcome to my channel. This is Code Fleet. I'm Vinay, and today we're going to be talking about three topics. The first one is formatting, then links, and then iframe. But the iframe is a quite a bit interesting topic. I'm sure you would like that. So let's first talk about formatting. So I have some tags here that are used for formatting the HTML, and I'll be showing you one by one each of them. So let's start with the paragraph. If you have watched my first video, so you must be knowing, okay, so how to use a p tag and what is a p tag. So let's write some tag here. So okay, this is code fleet, exclamatory sign. Save this and open this file in the browser, and we have the answer here. So let's use each tag one by one. The first one is bold text. To make it bold, okay, if you don't know this, I mean, you can use a tag inside another tag, and I mean, people use it. Okay, there are some things that you can do without using this technique. So let's refresh the page. Okay, we have the bold text here, and I mean, okay, let's say if you want a heading here, so and you want to make it a bold, so you use this tag. So another one is strong. So what does the strong do? Let's see. I mean, you can also read them right here as I wrote them here. Okay, so what this tag do and what this tag do. So let's save this and run this now. Okay, as you can see, the answer is the same, but whatever you write in the strong tag, I mean, it's mainly used for the important text. Okay, you want to show something and it's kind of an important thing, then you write them in the strong text. It's kind of similar, but I don't know why people make such things. Let's use I here. I in a short form, I mean, it's a short form, but if you want to expand it, you can also delete it's italic tag. Italic, everything that you have written in the tag will be in italic. It's going to be like this. It's going to be tilted, and it's tilted now, as you can see. I don't know which angle is this. Maybe it's a 65 or 70 degree. So this is called fleet. What does I tag do? And you can also make it bold here. Let's make it bold and in italic. That's something great. Let's save this and refresh this. Okay, we have a bolded text, also an italic text. So what is emphasized text? So let's use em here. If you guys can see, let's make it a little bit more. It's beneficial for your eyes. Okay, so let's cut this from here and put it here. So what this does, okay, didn't change anything. So let's remove this here and remove this here. Okay, as you can see, it's still in the italic, and so you can say yes, the italic text, the emphasized text are the same. So let's use the mark one. What mark one do? Mark, and we have the mark here. Okay, see with your eyes. Check. Okay, now it's highlighted. I mean, it's really great if you want to highlight something. You can just do with this tag. Just use mark. I don't use it because I don't need to highlight something. I'm most of a data science freak. Okay, so let's use small. I mean, paragraph already gave you small text. Why do we use that? Are you kidding me? Okay, so let's refresh now. It's small now. It's relatively small than even the paragraph. Why do we use the small text? Come on, man. We can use the heading here. We can use the @6 here. Why do we use these two tags? Then we can use the single text here, like @6, h5, anything. Okay, so let's create a deleted text. I mean, it's not that interesting, but okay, for the sake of the HTML I'm going to show you. So as you can see, I mean, come on, if you don't want some text in web page, you don't write them, okay, you don't embed them here. Why do we have this? But that's just to show you, that's what a dev tag can do. So now this last one is amazing. The last three ends, that which is a short form from inserted. Okay, so it gives you the underlined text. I mean, yes, you can use them if you have something that you want to be underlined. So let's use some. Okay, these are something so great. If you are let's say if you are making websites and you have those chemical formulas there like C6H12. I mean, if you know science, you can understand what is C6H12 and what is H2O. So let's write sub here. Okay, as you can see, it's in a short, but let's something right here. I am here, and you will understand what I was doing. Okay, so what you can, let me show you with a great example here. H, and we write 2 here. So let's see. Okay, it's H2, and you can also write here O, so that makes the water here H2O. Okay, that's how you can use them. And this subscript text, and if you want the superscript text, it's the opposite of this, because if you use here sub, the 2 is going to be on the upper side, it's going to be on the top, and it would be like this. I mean, yeah, you can also, let's say it's a power of h to the power 2. You can use them if you, I mean, if you write any formula and it's like x to the power 2, y to the power 2. Yes, you can use them like that. I mean, these two are so useful. Tag, I can deny that. I also use them. So that concludes with the formatting part. Let's come to the links. So yes, I told you what is an anchor tag, but I'm going to show you one thing here, how we can switch back from one page to the another page. And so let's see here. Let's comment it out, as you know how to comment it out. So let's make a tag here, A, and give it a title, okay, 2, and tags and elements. As you know, I created a file before in the previous videos, tags and elements. So give it a href is equals to, okay, here you pass that source of the file, where your file is the path of your file. I have the file in the same folder, that's why I'm just writing the name of it. Okay, the most important part is you can just refresh it. You have the tag A, you click on it, you can go to that page. But what about coming back? What if you want to come back? So what we are going to do is we are going to open that file, tags and elements, and we are going to create a tag here. So let's create a tag A, and we create go back. So what we are going to do here is we are going to do href, and we write the path of that file name, like formatting. Okay, come on, man, give me the formatting. Okay, formatting links and iframes. So if we save that, okay, you can see we have to go back here, and we click on it. We go to the formatting links and iframes HTML, and if you click on that, we go to the tags and elements. I mean, that's how you can navigate between the other web pages. So it's just, I mean, you can do so much with them. You just try to create 3 web pages and try to navigate between them. I want to see your potential, what you guys can do. So the last one is iframe, and I guess it's the best one here in this video. So let's create an iframe. I'm not just going to explain you what is iframe. You will be seeing what is iframe by your eyes. Okay, so first we are going to do is we are going to use source, and okay, what we can use here, let's use google.com, https and www.google.com. and what we can do here, okay, let's use this first. Okay, we have to go back here. Okay, so as you can see, Firefox can't open this file to protect its security. Google will not allow Firefox to display the wave on the side embedded traces. Let's not use Google. Let's use the web page here, but we can use W3 Schools. Okay, W3 Schools is the first thing that came to my mind. I mean, yes, that's what I was talking about. I mean, these web browser doesn't support some kind of, they can handle it. Come on. Oh, refuse to connect. Okay, it refused to connect. Come on, guys, try with the other websites. I don't know why it's happening. And you can also, let me tell you one thing, you can also adjust the width here, and let's say 300 pixel. You can also pass in the pixel. You can also, I mean, you have other dimensions also, but let's go with the pixel and percentage now, and let's make it height auto, and that's how we can manage the height and width. I don't know why it's refusing. Okay, let's go to some site here. Okay, let's use brandcolors.net. So what it's going to do now, brandcolors.net. Let's see. Did I do something wrong? Oh, guys, camera, my bad. Okay, so go to our web page and now refresh it. Okay, it worked. So as you can see here, we have the entire website in this small box. That's what a iframe can do. I mean, it's a powerful tool that you can just embed another website in your website in just a small box. I want you guys go to other websites, and try to embed them in your web page. It's really amazing, So this concludes the part here, and in the next video we're going to be talking about what is style and how you can style everything you can just use in the HTML file. Yes, you can style everything that you use. So I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.